Welcome to the Ultimate Drone Countdown for 2026, featuring the most incredible flying cameras that will transform your photography and videography forever. These 7 drones represent the cutting edge of aerial technology, combining stunning camera quality with intelligent flight features that make professional-level footage accessible to everyone. Whether you're a complete beginner taking your first flight or a seasoned pro upgrading your aerial arsenal, these drones deliver breathtaking results that will elevate your content to new heights. From compact travel drones to professional cinema machines, each model offers unique capabilities that cater to different needs and budgets perfectly. Get ready to discover the drones that are dominating the skies in 2026. Number 7. Holystone HS720E. The Holystone HS720E delivers impressive value as the perfect entry-level drone for beginners wanting serious features without breaking the bank. This drone features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization, creating smooth footage that looks surprisingly professional for the affordable price point. The 46-minute flight time exceeds many competitors in this price range, giving you extended flying sessions to practice and capture content. The GPS-assisted flight provides stability and safety features, including return to home, that brings the drone back automatically if signal is lost. The brushless motors offer quiet operation and improved efficiency compared to cheaper drones, extending battery life and reducing noise pollution during flights. The foldable design makes this drone incredibly portable, fitting easily into backpacks for hiking trips and travel adventures without requiring dedicated cases. The intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Orbit Mode, add creative possibilities that help beginners capture dynamic footage effortlessly. This Holystone represents the best entry point into serious drone flying, offering features that were exclusive to expensive models just years ago. Number 6. Potensic Atom S. The Potensic Atom SE combines ultra-compact design with impressive 4K camera performance in a package weighing under 250 grams for easier regulations. This lightweight drone avoids registration requirements in many countries, making it perfect for travelers wanting hassle-free aerial photography without bureaucratic complications. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage even in moderate winds, delivering professional results from such a compact package. The 31-minute flight time provides adequate flying sessions, while the compact size means you can carry multiple batteries easily in small bags. The visual tracking feature locks onto subjects automatically, keeping them centered in frame during dynamic activities like hiking, biking, or running. The 4K camera at 30 FPS captures detailed footage suitable for social media and YouTube content that looks sharp and professional. The palm takeoff and landing features add convenience, letting you launch and recover the drone from your hand in tight spaces. This Potensic Atom SE represents incredible value in the sub-250 category, competing directly with DJI's offerings at significantly lower prices. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro remains the king of compact drones, packing professional features into a sub-250G package that travels anywhere effortlessly. This drone features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe flight even for beginners, with sensors detecting obstacles in all directions automatically and reliably. The 4K HDR video at 60 FPS combined with 10-bit color depth delivers footage rivaling much larger and more expensive professional drones. The 34-minute flight time provides ample opportunity for capturing content, while the compact size means carrying multiple batteries adds minimal weight. The ActiveTrack 360 follows subjects intelligently with multiple tracking modes, creating dynamic footage that looks professionally planned and executed throughout flights. The vertical shooting mode caters perfectly to social media content creators, focusing on Instagram Reels and TikTok videos requiring portrait orientation. The enhanced transmission system provides reliable control up to 10 kilometers away, though regulations typically limit actual flying distance significantly everywhere. This Mini 4 Pro represents DJI's mastery of miniaturization, proving that professional drone capabilities no longer require large, heavy aircraft anymore. Number 4. Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus offers a compelling alternative to DJI with a massive 1-inch sensor delivering exceptional image quality in various lighting conditions. This drone features a 6K camera with adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11, providing creative control over depth of field and exposure. The 40-minute flight time surpasses most competitors in this class, giving you extended sessions for capturing the perfect shot without constant battery swaps. The Moonlight algorithm enhances low-light performance dramatically, allowing usable footage in conditions where other drones produce unusable, noisy footage entirely. The 12-sensor obstacle avoidance system provides comprehensive protection, detecting and avoiding obstacles from all directions during autonomous and manual flight modes. The Dynamic Track 2.1 following system locks onto subjects with impressive accuracy, maintaining smooth tracking even through complex environments and movements. The foldable design remains relatively compact despite the larger sensor, making this drone travel-friendly while delivering superior image quality consistently. This Autel Evo Lite Plus represents serious competition to DJI's dominance, offering comparable or superior specifications at competitive prices with excellent customer support. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 revolutionizes aerial photography with dual cameras, providing incredible versatility without changing aircraft or carrying multiple drones everywhere. This drone features a 48-megapixel wide camera and a 48-megapixel 3EX telephoto camera, both with excellent image quality and stabilization throughout. The dual camera system lets you capture both establishing wide shots and detailed close-ups during single flights, dramatically improving efficiency. The 46-minute flight time is exceptional for a drone this size, providing extended flying sessions that reduce the need for multiple batteries. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance ensures safe flight with sensors detecting obstacles in all directions, preventing crashes even during aggressive flying maneuvers. The O4 transmission system provides rock-solid connectivity up to 20 kilometers with enhanced interference resistance in crowded urban environments filled with signals. The Waypoint flight planning allows programming complex autonomous missions that repeat perfectly, ideal for time lapses and systematic area documentation work. This DJI Air 3 represents the perfect balance between portability and professional capabilities, serving both hobbyists and commercial operators excellently. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro delivers cinema-quality footage with its triple camera system, including a Hasselblad wide, medium telephoto, and extreme telephoto lens. This drone features a 4/3 sensor in the main camera, providing exceptional dynamic range and low-light performance rivaling professional cinema cameras. The 3 cameras eliminate the need for changing drones mid-shoot, providing 1x, 3x, and 7x focal lengths covering most shooting scenarios completely. The 43-minute flight time combined with omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe, extended flying sessions even in complex environments with obstacles. The Cine version includes Apple ProRes 422 HQ recording with a 1 TB internal SSD, catering to professional filmmakers requiring maximum quality. The advanced RTH features include multiple intelligent return paths, automatically choosing the safest route home if signal is lost or battery runs low. The 15-kilometer transmission range with O3 Plus provides reliable control and live feed even in challenging conditions with interference from other devices. This Mavic 3 Pro represents the pinnacle of prosumer drones, bridging the gap between consumer and professional cinema drones with exceptional versatility. Number 1. Autel Evo 2 Pro V3. The Autel Evo 2 Pro V3 takes the top spot with its incredible 1-inch sensor delivering 6K video and unmatched image quality. This drone features a 20-megapixel camera with adjustable aperture, providing creative control over depth of field impossible with fixed aperture drone cameras. The 42-minute flight time ensures extended flying sessions, while the impressive wind resistance up to 30 meters makes this drone reliable in challenging conditions. The 360-degree obstacle avoidance with 19 sensors provides comprehensive protection, ensuring safe flight even in complex environments with multiple obstacles everywhere. The Moonlight Mode 2.0 dramatically improves low-light performance, capturing usable footage in near darkness when other drones produce only noise. The Dynamic Track 3.0 following system provides industry-leading subject tracking with multiple intelligent modes that maintain perfect framing throughout complex movements. The foldable design keeps the drone portable despite professional specifications, fitting into standard backpacks for easy transport during travel and adventures. This Autel Evo 2 Pro V3 breaks rules by challenging DJI's market dominance with superior specifications and competitive pricing that delivers incredible value